Want to go on a spreadsheet date with me? This is part 11 of Back to School Bootcamp for Spreadsheets, and today we are going to talk about date calculations. To calculate the difference between two dates is as simple as one minus the other. There's no secret there. But what if you want to know how many months or how many years between two different dates? That's when the DATEIF formula comes into play. You're going to type equal DATEDIF, open parenthesis, one of the dates that you're trying to use for your formula, comma, the second date, comma again, and then you're going to use M between quotation marks to say, I want to know how many months are between these two dates. But if you want the year, you do the exact same thing, but instead of M, you're going to use Y. If you want to add or subtract days, it's as easy as this date plus the amount of days that you want. But what if you don't want weekends on your dates? Say, I want to add 5 business days to a date. You're going to do equal workday, open parenthesis, the starting day, a comma, and then how many business days you want to add to that date. But now what if you need to exclude holidays? This is very common when you're doing project deadlines. You are still going to use the workday function. But after the amount of days that you want to add to the date, you're going to put the dates that you want to exclude. Now be very careful. If you have the dates in a range, you can just reference that range. But if you don't have the holiday dates in a range, just putting 1/1/2025 in a formula, Excel or Google Sheets are not going to recognize that as an actual date. Remember, you can actually make a date using the date function. So here's an example. You're going to do equal workday, open parenthesis, your starting date, comma, how many business days you want to add, comma again, date parenthesis 2025, 1/1, close parenthesis. And just as a reminder, the formulas work either in Excel or Google Sheets. They're exactly the same. You don't have to worry about memorizing a different formula for one or the other. Let me know what you think about a spreadsheet date in the comment section.